Wake up. I'll throw this eraser at your head.
Eraser? Oh, what? Ow! That hurt.
Do you like sausage?
Yes.
Okay, because we're having sausage biscuits.
Okay.
You should get up.
I'm gonna. In a minute. You scared the cat away. I was trying to convince it to come say hi. What is this?
It's an eraser. There's
It's
two
like
parts
one
of it.
Those Dye Masters from the 80s.
There's two of them. The other one goes on the inside of it. It erases.
Well, other than that,
That's the whole purpose of an eraser.
whatever.
You missed. It's now 10:45.
No, it's not. It's 9:45.
Get up.
Don't lie.
Let's go outside and play in the snow.
What? Have you lost your mind?
Let's go. Snow. Snow, snow, snow.
You're good at that.
What?
I should have backed into your driveway, but I'm not good
I
at that.
told you to back in.
I'm not good at that. Meh.
Come on. You're gonna miss. I won't let my
You're
mom
worse
feed
than
you.
my mother.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
How's the bed?
I don't know.
Cause you kind of just like sunk into it.
I know I'm like sunk into the middle. How embarrassing.
What?
Makes lots of noise.
The bed does? Show me.
Okay.
Okay. Come on.
No. Get out of my way. No. What's wrong with you? Yeah.